This is a new 2015 Ford Transit 350. It's powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power steering, and AM/FM stereo. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Sunrise Ford of North Hollywood is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5500 Lankershim Boulevard, North Hollywood, California, 91601.